What it do, Cozy family? Okay, so it definitely snowed a lot over here in New York. It's super, super cold. But I finally got my package in the mail. Alright, so a little backstory. Alright, a little backstory is before I got into sneakers, before I got into Yeezys, most of you guys know that I collect Yeezys. I don't have all of them, but I have a majority of them. I've always wanted these. And it's a funny story that these were gonna, restock again. And being Destiny, we broke night waiting on the waiting room on the Yeezy Supply app for like an hour and a half. We had like 30 minutes to go to the Adidas app to try to get in the waiting room too. It was just bad luck all around because we didn't even get our size nor the baby size. Like, what? Like, we were there before the waiting room, the drawer was even visible. Like, we were there before everybody. So the fact, I feel like they pick and choose who they want to be in the room. But I finally decided, you know what? I'll overpay. I'll overpay because these are a must. Unfortunately, Destiny couldn't get hers. I definitely want to still get her those. Our anniversary's coming up. She really wanted them, so I might get them for her. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But I'm not cutting none of this out. I am not cutting none of this out. So, as you guys can see, yeah. These are a big deal. I opened them earlier to see like if they fit me because I ended up getting a 9.5. I'm usually a 9, but the 9.5s, like for, I have to clean these, but for like my creams, I'm a 9. Recently, it's been a little like snug on me. Oh man, these are fire. I don't know why I get so excited for sneakers. I just always been that type. I always been the type to get super happy for sneakers for no apparent reason. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I ended up getting a lot of clothes. I don't know if you guys would like to see me show you guys all the ones that I got. I mean, I have a lot more in the box. I have like a big box of like clothes I ended up getting. Because most of you guys don't know, for a period of time, we wasn't living in New York. We ended up moving, and all of our stuff is still where we moved to. But then we ended up moving over here because my son Achilles was born, and we decided, you know what, let's just stay back for a little while. I ended up bringing like 3 outfits and like 2 pairs of sneakers. Like, I could wear these, but so much. I'm definitely not taking these out anytime soon. And my creams wasn't even supposed to get taken out of the box, but I ended up doing it a couple of months ago. But yeah, it's ugly outside. It's really, really disgusting actually. Like, I showed you guys in the beginning, but it's super cold, super nasty. I don't want to go outside. Like, it's really bad. It's really bad, and I should definitely close that window. But you know what I'm gonna do? Try something new. I just thought of an idea right now. I'm gonna show you guys all the clothes that I bought, including this shirt. This shirt is fire. This shirt, I don't usually like tie-dye. I don't usually like stuff like that. But getting older, I'm trying to, wear new things. But you know what? I'm actually gonna show you guys what I picked up. So let me just set everything up. So like I said in the beginning, I ended up getting a lot of stuff like clothes, sneakers, and even video games because all my stuff and all Destiny stuff and all my son's stuff is in the place that we were staying at. We ended up coming back to New York for the time being, and we literally didn't have anything over here. So I literally just spent so much money on clothes from different places. I tried Urban Outfitters, I tried PacSun, I tried Forever 21, and that's pretty much what I have here. And most of you guys already saw me wear certain things like this shirt. This shirt is from PacSun. This is really nice. Like, I like it a lot. It's something different, something new. Like I said, I don't like the tie-dye wear, but as you get older, you learn to try new things. So I ended up unpackaging certain things just to see it would fit me. I'm just gonna show you guys the things that's already in like bags. So this first shirt, I don't even, okay, this shirt, I don't even remember what it is. I think I just got it for the color, Destiny's favorite color, and I just liked it. It's different. It's from PacSun. It's an extra large. I learned that certain places sizes run completely different. I'm glad that I ended up getting an extra large, and I'm 5'11", about like 200 pounds. Certain places you have to go up a size because I'm usually a large, sometimes an extra large if I want that more baggy fit. But honestly say, like, if you're gonna shop in PacSun, go an extra size up because you don't want things to be so tight. The next shirt, I ended up getting in Forever 21. I ended up going shopping with my best friend to go get some stuff for my son. And I saw this shirt in Forever 21 and I just liked it for some reason. Again, something different with this whole like tie-dye wear. I actually ended up getting these for these. I don't know if it, I don't know, but this will come later. That was my last purchase. But yeah, it's a regular basic, you know, graphic tee. It's cool, I guess. I don't when I buy clothes, I don't get it to be like, oh my god, I'm gonna look so fly. I just get it because I like it, or the color, or how it fits. And like, my skin is very sensitive, so certain materials cannot touch my skin because it ends up getting like bubbly and stuff. But let's take a break off of clothes. I had to get this. I'm a big like video game head, and I ended up getting like the remote with it. I ended up messing up. I ended up getting the nano version. I wanted to just get the regular one, but it is what it is. This is my childhood right here, especially this one. This is my childhood, so I had to pick that up. Well, back to clothing. One of my favorite sweaters right now, especially I don't have that much hoodies with me over here. Most of you guys know I love hoodies. Playboy hoodie. This color is so nice. When I ended up ordering it, the picture didn't have the strings. When I got it, the strings kind of threw me off because I feel like it should just be the Playboy that's white. This shouldn't be around, but I'm debating on trying to take it out. I don't know yet. I really don't. But it's really thick. For the price, I paid, I don't even know how much I paid. I think like $60 for this. For the price is decent. I mean, like I said, I'm not trying to be here trying to dress designer and stuff. Like, I don't care too much for that. Like, people would look at me like, oh, you buy so many Yeezys and stuff, but you rocking like basic H&M, Urban Outfitter stuff. Why would I go crazy on buying Gucci and stuff if I put that in the dryer or washer? It's just gonna mess up. Why would I spend extra money to bring it to the laundromat or to like what's those things called where you bring stuff? Yeah, like a cleaners. That's what it is. Like, why would I spend extra money just to clean my $1,000 shirt? Nah, I'm okay. Again, I like to look good, but for a price. You see these jeans right here? Forever 21, $20. Call me cheap, call me broke, call me pop, call me whatever you want to call me. But at the end of the day, you know, if I'm gonna look good, it's gonna be for a price. Again, why would I spend more than $100 on a pair of jeans? Like, I don't even rock jeans. Like, people that know me know that I love sweatpants, shorts. I like to be comfortable, chilling. I don't like to be everything just getting rised up in the front, you know. But when I do decide to rock jeans or whatever, it has to be everything snug. I don't like to be baggy. I don't like things to be baggy or uncomfortable for me. Playboy hoodie. I got this for the sneakers. Just a basic black Playboy hoodie. This one is not the same material as the other one. This is more like thinner. But I like it because of the graphic in the back. It's a cool vibe, you know. I'm a big fan of the black colors and the red colors and stuff. Like dark colors. I just can't hear outside. It's like crazy. Yeah, it's snowing crazy. I I got a few more stuff. I got one more Playboy thing, and when I saw this online, I was like, you know what? Let me try something new, because most of you guys, when you get sweats, you'll get sweats that will have this like tight bottom at the bottom, right? With me, I'm like, you know what? Let me get a pair of sweats, thick, that has this type of bottom. Because I'm the type, I like to put my pants up a little bit to show my socks and show my sneakers. And I'm like, you know what? These are pretty cool. And then when I got it in person, I got these things. Oh, I didn't even peep that it had the little Playboy thing on the back. That's kind of fire. But when I got these, I'm like, yo, these look huge. I ended up getting a large. I'm like, these look huge. But if I would have gotten a medium, it would have been super tight. And that's the thing with me. I'm like very confusing when it comes to clothes, because like one size would look too big and then one size would look too small. Like I'll dabble with pants, especially. I'll dabble between like a medium and large. Shirt wise, like extra large, large. But sometimes it's just so confusing to me. Another shirt I got in PacSun, it's this little basic Coca-Cola. I ended up getting it because it just gives me like a little vintage vibe. I really thought that it was gonna be thicker, but one thing about me, I don't like to wear shirts that you could see like my nipples and stuff. Like I don't like see-through shirts, and this is like really, really thin. So I don't know if I'm gonna give it to Destiny for at least like pajamas, or I'm gonna wear it maybe to be around the house and stuff. But I wasn't a fan of that. Last thing I got clothing wise is this nice, like, I wouldn't say forest green, but it's like a nice green hoodie. Again, Forever 21. This shit was what, like, I think 18 bucks? I don't even know. I think it was like 50% off. Again, I like to save my money. My money has to go for my son now. So when I get the chance to spend money on me, it has to be at a price, and I have to get multiple things for a specific amount of price. And I ended up spending maybe, I want to say, $250 to $300 just on clothes, and then the sneakers was around like $220. So, you know, I spent a lot of money on my son. This is a small bag, but it's filled to the top with a lot of stuff inside. So whatever I have, my son has to have. These little two accessories are like basic PacSun socks. I ended up getting it because they're really thick, and like I said with the sweats, I like to roll my pants up and like show my socks. And these were the only socks that they had in PacSun, so I'm like, you know what? Whatever, these are cool. They look like SpongeBob, but it's cool. And the last pickup of the week, because this all happened in less than a week. The last pickup of the week, the 350 breads. You know, I'm super sad that Destiny couldn't get her pair, but I'm gonna make it a priority to get hers and my son. These are pretty cool, honestly speaking, and I said this to Destiny when I got my package today. They look way different in pictures than in person. In pictures, they look way better. But these, you cannot go wrong with Yeezys, honestly. You cannot go wrong with any type. With me, I'm very, like, heavy. You know, 200 pounds may not be a lot, but I'm a heavy person, so my feet are always killing me, especially my back. So when I wear stuff like that, the only reason why I wear, you know, Yeezys as much is because they're very comfortable. Believe it or not, they're really, really comfortable. So that's it for today's pickup. I mean, today was supposed to be like a vlog, but I wanted to try something new. Just to vibe out with you guys, you know. The support has been crazy on this channel recently, and I can't thank you guys enough. There's gonna be more stuff coming soon. I have a few videos coming out throughout the week. I have a video coming out next week for me and Destiny's 4-year anniversary, so that I'm really excited for that. I hope you guys like this video. Stay safe out there. It's crazy outside. It's crazy outside. If you're from New York, yo, be careful. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and like I always say, be humble, remain hungry, stay cozy. Oh, and I got the hat too, and I got the beanie. The beanie was Forever 21, $8. $8. I'm out of here.